Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix TikTok Live option not showing. And here's how it is done. Launch the TikTok app and go to your profile, bottom right corner. Tap on the three bar icon, top right corner. Select settings and privacy. Scroll down and choose report a problem. Go to the live section. Choose hosting live and then pick an option like other hosting live issues. When asked if the problem is resolved, select no, then tap need more help. Explain your issue in detail. Example, access to TikTok Live Studio is not available and submit it. A TikTok representative will look into the issue and respond with further steps. These actions should help you regain access to TikTok Live Studio if the issue is related to your account settings or platform restrictions. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix TikTok Live option not showing. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.